guys, here's one for you. I thought I'd better just have a look because I don't see any sticker that said it's been reported. There's no one in there, so I guess it's been here for a little while. Busted up bad. So here I am, just had lunch at the old school at the Donnelly Mill. The guy over at the general store gave me the keys so I could use the kitchen, which was pretty sick. There's been a whole bunch of like emus and magpies around. I was feeling pretty tired, just about ready for a nap, but I got another 20 k's to go, so getting a bit fired up again. But it's going to be hot this 20 k's. I just made it to the next hut, Karataburnu. Check out the view here. It's really cool. Just on my own, but there were 2 parks and wildlife guys and they must have just cleaned it up because everything's been swept. It was hot this afternoon, but nothing like yesterday. The carrot forest is a lot shadier. Time to relax. So I've done 67 kilometers this morning. I'm nearly in Quinnipiac and it's almost lunch. There's one thing I need when I'm cooking, it's a clean bench, free from any clutter and any dirt. So I'm in Pemberton at the Gloucester Tree. Just started for the day this afternoon. I've only done about maybe 7 or 8 kilometres. I stayed at my mum's place last night since I'm from Pemberton. And now I've got to just make it to Northcliffe this afternoon. You can climb this tree, but I've done it a few times, so I'm just going to keep moving. It's pretty sick. Only like 2 people have died on it as far as I'm aware, so that's pretty cool. I'm probably about halfway to Northcliffe. Just stopped for some food on this hill, trying to get the morale to climb up the rest of it. Sometimes you come around the corner and you just see that it just keeps going, and it's like, Mundabiddi, you've done it again, man. Fuck. Hey guys, so basically just done a half day today, and there's no hut between Pemberton and Northcliffe because it's pretty close. I don't want to pay for accommodation, so I found this spot just outside of Northcliffe, just coming in from the Pemberton side. It's got an undercover area, like a barbecue, some tables, it's even got a water tank there. So I'm going to set up here tonight, should be pretty good. So I'm just making my way out of Northcliffe now. I've had a pretty chill morning. I don't have too much to do today, only like 50 kilometres or so. So I thought I'd take it a bit easier. Finally making my start. So I've made it to the hut, and man, it really rained on me for the last 10 kilometres. Like, poured, you know, considering it's summer. It's a pretty cool hut though. This one was rebuilt after some fires, and there's some like granite boulder I can go hike up there later, so that should be cool. So I decided to keep going after lunch. I was going to stay at that other hut, but it's only another 50 k's to the next one, and I was feeling pretty good, so this has been some awesome riding too. That little symbol is a really good feeling at 6:30 in the afternoon. So I'm just here at Warpole, bought myself some carbs for the next few days. Salsa, always a go-to. I've got another case to go, so I've just got to put some Vaseline on my ass and get riding. It's actually the first time I've seen the coast since I've started this trip. Coal Miners Beach in Walpole. Definitely procrastinating this next 50 k's. So I saw this hill up here and my stomach dropped, but then I realised that the signs actually say to go this way. Hey guys, so I thought I'd give an update. I've got like 4 k's to go to the next hut. I just stopped abruptly because my new vegan shirt got caught up in the wheel and a bit torn up. It was hanging on the back because I was like drying it, but it must have come loose. close to riding through this spider. I nearly fell off. I stopped so suddenly when I saw it. Guys, so I'm maybe like 20 k's from Denmark. I found out from some other hikers that there's a hut really close, but it's on the Biberman track. So I've come an extra 25 k's. I'm going to stay here tonight. The thing is that this whole park is actually closed, so I've gone past a whole bunch of signs and a lady as well. But I just acted like I knew what I was doing and she didn't even say anything. So the thing is, this isn't made to cycle up, so I've got to push. Hey, so I made it to the hut. This one's pretty sick. It's a lot different to the Mundabiddi huts. A little older. Just cooked the last of my rice, so I'm gonna have to do a fasted 20k ride into Denmark tomorrow morning. Assuming I can eat all this, which I probably can. It's a good day. Says road closed, but I don't think they actually mean that it's closed. I think they mean that I can pass if I want to. I've come too far to go back now. These guys are taking it pretty seriously, but I'm not, so it was fine so far. They just dug up like half the road. It's been a pretty relaxing trip so far. 20 k's into Denmark and now I've done 20 k's towards Albany. It's been real chill, flat, old railway line. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Well, it's been hot, so today's pretty sunny. So I'm in Elika. I'm probably only about 16 kilometers from the end of the ride from Albany. It's a hot day, I've got a headwind, but I'm feeling pretty good. So yeah, got to send the last 16 kilometers. Hey guys, well I made it here to the southern terminus. It's a pretty good ride in, but there was a lot of headwind. So 14 days and 1,060 kilometers. Now I'm here in Albany, came from Mundaring.